I feel like Man City will win this game with either 2-goal matches, something like 3-1 or 2-1. But the main thing we say, Bournemouth go more scores today. Yes, we don't finally arrive here now. For when they talk about the preview, I thought I say Man City go win, but Bournemouth go surely sky. I predict something like 3-1 or 2-1. So my hate watchers, the successful. Just 4 minutes, everything changed.
The match no really sharp. Bournemouth really try sharp. Now just say I don't really understand their tactics for second half. I mean, nearly when ball won't finish because first half they start well. They start well for that first half. They play well, but normally Man City they pressure them. They play them, but at least their ball for first half better pass second half. But I don't really know what happened. Where Man City just come back for something where they win at least 1-0 or 1-1. Maybe they just go and that draw. They just come fuck up. And they can't dash Man City the lead. Where Man City no really the pressure.
Man City really deserve the lead. What do you want to?
Man City really trash. They're bosh.
Man City deserve the lead. Now Man City deserve.
But the kind of tactics where they normally play before, they know really. But Maresca, if he adapt, because first time he no really play well.
Me will be say I don't deal with Maresca for a couple of months.
As Bournemouth score one, him go the draw.
As you be, let's be sincere with ourselves. You know, say when I don't really play anything.
I just the way we just talk about football. Like for that, I just celebrate. Say
forget about winning 3 points or whatever. Maybe this leg, you just play Arsenal. Maybe this leg you even use play Champions League.
I know that this way Pep Guardiola they play.
You see, they play Bournemouth of low at attacking capacity because that goal will score himself. Not just this thing.
No, only defense where they just play.
No, only just defend. Even their midfield is just a mess.
Yeah.
They grab. But if you say a more tactical team, this thing when I play today, no be something when I go use.
If we talk about the game as a whole, Man City play rubbish as a whole today, because if you see Man City lack attack creativity in the midfield today, they go just they pass the ball around.
Only check will bring small change.
Man City like really lack creativity from the midfield. Now even Semenyo they even try proof point for the game as a whole.
And when I don't forget say Man City actually played today without any game plan.
Yeah.
They no game plan. It just say Maresca tell them, Muna enter, go play.
I just individual brilliance in the game.
If not
for Cherki, we not really play anything like to win.
Now I say for first half, they not really ball that well. Now Cherki can't enter that little time when he can't enter like that. Now that time where they can't get
Maresca still have a whole lot of work
to do.
A whole lot of work. I'm not yet seeing the chemistry. I'm not yet seeing the tactics.
You don't see the midfield today. Now agree with the midfield today.
Imagine in lineup.
The same lineup now. O'Reilly the midfield.
Maybe if you do it, just carry you. Chuk for first 11. Now for training, go carry you.
Now he be the first manager will convert James go midfield.
I don't understand because
imagine.
This now you don't carry O'Reilly now.
See O'Reilly they play the GM.
We signed Guéhi when our defense they on crisis. Some of them get injuries, some of them don't they come out. We sign him he come be our part of our defender. Today we get let me say we no get DM for bench. We get to go play DM because Kovacic go play DM. Even DM when we sign when Rodri get injury, Nico Gonzalez they but he decide to bench those two people to carry our center back.
I just say in tactics. Like I don't know whether he does the test.
They know they mention Maresca and tactics for the same statement. The guy no get. You know the tactics.
I don't understand. You know they do some changes.
Every match in the test something new.
I mean, if he just see you for table, if you do, then he go tell you go warm up, we go enter.
Yeah.
Now the thing. Actually, if not for this Man City team, when I still get a whole lot of work.
Unlike Man City of before.
Today we play with that pattern. Before, if you score Man City 1-0. You know, say they come.
You don't come pressure, come for your half.
You will expect something like 3-1 if you defend well.
If you go even end for that 3-1.
If you defend well, everything I talk. If you defend well, 3-1. Yeah. But now they even scores the one. Now even if it's a Bournemouth after they score the 1-0, they start to push more. Therefore, even score more. But when they try to even score, they don't even come to play. They just came to defend. Now we can score 1-1, and they can't come out. We can't cause that second goal. So, but for today as a whole, Man City will not play with any pattern.
Man City DNA. What you not say now just collect the 3 points.
Now the 3 points, just like
just collect the 3 points, but Maresca still get work to do. Maresca just improve that thing. And in changes, the way they take doing changes.
But even against Arsenal, I see changes where you spoil the game. Now, like now just individual brilliance. Now we
are you surprised? The time where Man U win us last season. Now changes we cause him. Almost all the games we used to lose that time he was our manager, Abia head coach. Now changing the cause him. The man pressure the entire head. That time when they score him. And he go just dey panic, he go do changes as influence of
no, like that. Another kind of changes we do for community shield. He just sub everybody, even Haaland. But at least now Barca collect 3 points. But we just watch out how this season go really go, because this season go really go far.
Anyhow it be for me, at the first it now good game for Bournemouth. Man City they pass from one end to another. They don't even like create much more chances for Haaland to score. You know, so why him play O'Reilly for attacking B? Maybe both of them they crash the box. But now it can't be the O'Reilly way him play for the can they go side, can they create for Haaland. For Wetin suppose they enter, make him and Haaland they nod. Because if you know, if they play O'Reilly for left back, he always attack boss from that left back. Nobody go know when he take enter the box. But na good game from Bournemouth. They defended very well. But we know Wetin I will talk for comment section.